everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and this is a picture on the left of my great nephew and on the right it's Prince Harry. So my nephew is Harrison, or great nephew is Harrison, and Grandma, my sister, actually calls him Harry. His mom and dad don't quite as much, but sometimes they do. So these are photos of him on Halloween. And I wanted to, or that's a photo of him on Halloween, and there's kind of a cute little story behind this. So I'm going to take that striped paper, and that striped paper is from the Echo Park Halloween collection, and it's the Halloween stripes. I'm sorry, it's the spooky plaid is what that is. The striped paper is. Then I'm going to take this purple chevron paper, and that is from the Echo Park Halloween stripes. It's kind of, you know, funny how that, what they called each of the papers in this particular, oh, actually, I'm sorry, I have that wrong. The stripes are Halloween stripes. The purple is the spooky plaid from the Halloween collection. Sorry, I have that all backwards. So anyway, I'm making a frame out of that purple paper, and then I just decided to ink the edges of this. It is all one collection, but I thought it just needed that extra finishing detail because, especially with this purple paper, the white edges were kind of showing, and it's a darker paper. So I love that really dark purple to set this off. Now, I found that paper with all of the little characters in costumes, and that's from the Echo Park Halloween collection, and it's the B side of the Halloween stripes paper. So I thought that I would use at least a row of those little characters. You know, he's in a costume, so I thought it would be really cute for them to be in a costume, in costumes as well. Then I'm looking at mounting the two photographs on this green paper, which is the Halloween stripes. I might have some stuff wrong. How about all of this is from the Echo Park Halloween paper. So I'm sorry, you guys. And I think this is it's a collection from 2016. I bought it at Tuesday morning, I think earlier this year. But these are all from Halloween. I don't think I wrote these down properly the more I look at them. So then I found my tags here, and these are from the L Studio printables from 2015, and they're Halloween printables, but I think they're still available on the website. I looked before I created the layout. So you can get those still available, and then you just download them and you can print them as often as you like, which is lovely. So I'm taking that green paper, and I was thinking that I was going to put a row of them like there, but I cut it a little bit shorter than I really wanted to. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to recut a strip of two of the characters. And then I'll use my paper. And that's my Memento Dewdrop in gray flannel. I think this is really cute, especially since Prince Harry there is in costume. So now I need to get my title kind of figured out here so I know how far down I can mount that green paper. So I'm going to go through a couple of alphas here, and I finally settle on this glitter alpha, and that orange glitter alphabet is the American Crafts Thickers in blue, and it's the apricot colorway. And what I'm thinking about doing is sort of combining two alphabets here, and so I think I ran to get the black that I'm going to use. So I'm going to title this Who Wore It Best, because my niece actually posted these two photos side by side on Facebook, and that was the title, about who wore it best. I love that photo of my great nephew there. So the other thing I'm doing is I'm looking at my black alphas here and trying to decide what to use. And I think I really want to use something that's a little more scripty looking, because I don't want it all to be the straight up and down that the orange letters are right now. And I'm just moving some things off my desk so I actually have room to work here. And kind of playing. And I don't have an O, so I'm going to MacGyver a Q there into an O. And then I didn't have a question mark still in the orange. If I had, I would have probably used the orange, but I didn't have it, so I'm going to use the black instead. And there I just created the O out of that Q. And now I have an idea of the space that it's going to take up vertically on the layout. And I kind of like combining those two fonts there. I did like the spacing that I had underneath the characters paper, so I put that down, and then I'll decide what I can do with that green paper there. And I decided to just let one full row of the characters show on the bottom, and then the top row is mostly hidden, but you know what's there. It would have looked a little funny. I wanted the character paper to act as a shelf for the green paper mat to sit on. Okay, so I just about have this done. I think this title is so funny, and I'm in love with that photo of my great nephew. He's a very smiley baby. He's very happy, which is nice. Okay, so I have the title down, and now I'm looking at other things that I can do. And I grabbed another sheet of the printables. These again are also from Elle Studio, and you can they're still available on the website. They have lots of great printables there. And I'll give you a hint. I don't know if they'll do that this year, but usually on Black Friday they go on sale. So if you can wait and just check it out. I've done that a couple of years in a row where I've just gone and I've gotten a couple of things I wanted. There was just something else that I thought I wanted, and I'm just going to wait. I think it's some of the printables from this month's kit. All right. So I decided I wanted to do something up there, and I punched a third circle from that printable. So I have the pie, the eek, and the boo. And then I found this 31 sticker, and that came from the Echo Park Halloween Element stickers that I have right there to my left. And I'm just kind of playing around with those. I find that, I think it was a star sticker. I didn't end up, that ends up moving, but I put it on there. Then I found this Halloween, and there's a little bit, obviously, there's aqua in the background of the character paper, and then there's a little bit of blue in the photo of Prince Harry. And I have to say, I'm joking about who wore it best, because I really do like Prince Harry quite a bit. It's the real Prince Harry, not the imposter that my great nephew is. So it was sort of a kind of funny, ironic thing. All right, so I have these two chipboard arrows here, and then there's that chipboard pumpkin on the top. And those are all from the Crepe Paper After Dark chipboard. And I'm kind of playing around with where I think I'm going to put the arrows, and, as in he wore it best. It's pointing to him. And I'm looking through these Bella Boulevard stickers. Those are the trinkets from the Halloween collection, but I decided not to use that sticker that I pulled off at first. I did grab some other stickers, these glitter candy corn puffy stickers, and those are the Halloween Crafts Puffy Halloween word stickers. They come from that sheet, but that's from 2017, so they were not available this year. I don't know if they had something like it, but you wouldn't be able to get them now, obviously, because Halloween is way past, but that's where they came from. So if you're looking for something like that, you can always check out Hobby Lobby next year. I love candy corn. I don't really eat it anymore because it's so waxy and sugary and chemical-like, but I still love the icons. So I decided to move that up there. I think you see the arrows better there than where I had it. And I grabbed another, I only had 2 of the glitter candy corns, so I grabbed another sticker from the Halloween sticker sheet. All right, guys, that's the layout. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye.